Coming soon, that battery-powered one I promised you long ago. I finally figured out how to get it in the same size case as the one with the external power supply. So there you go. I did have to move the face a little to the side because the battery goes on the side the face is not on. It took some finagling, little magic, little whatever you can call it, but I finally got it all to fit inside the box, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to have to go to a different box. Still mounts up the same way. This thing will mount and run in 5 minutes flat. You put on the magnetic ring, you mount this on the front, you set the distance, put in the 4 screws, you're done. I'm just waiting on a countersink so I can do the holes that go on the side for the battery mount. That's it. If you bought it from me, we stand behind it.